a world where industrial automation is rapidly evolving, staying ahead means being open, flexible, and connected. In this RS Product Spotlight video, you'll meet the PLCnext from Phoenix Contact, the future-ready PLC platform built for the challenges of tomorrow. The PLCnext is more than just a PLC. It's an automation ecosystem. Combining real-world control with the power of high-level programming languages, it bridges the gap between IT and OT, enabling seamless integration across your entire operations. Let's dive into what makes the PLCnext stand out. Built on the Linux-based architecture, PLCnext supports traditional IEC 61131-3 programming, alongside modern languages like C++, Python, and even MATLAB Simulink, all running in real time. You're no longer confined to a single development environment. It connects effortlessly to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Profit Cloud I/O, making it ideal for IIoT applications. With the PLCnext store, you can download ready-to-use apps or even publish your own. Accelerate development, reduce cost, and with a vibrant global community, support and innovation are always within reach. There are three main PLC controller models: 1152, 2152, and 3152. The 1152 is ideal for basic, small-scale systems. The 2152 is the most popular, a mid-range controller perfect for general industrial applications. And the 3152 delivers top-tier performance, ideal for complex, AI-driven, or edge computing tasks. All models support expansion via the Axial line that includes the smart elements and the inline I/O systems. The 2152 and the 3152 can be extended with modules for safety and AI functions. PLCnext controllers support a wide range of signal types: digital and analog I/Os, safety I/Os, RTD and thermocouple inputs, absolute and incremental encoders, PWM signals, and I/O link. PLCnext is transforming industries, from smart manufacturing and energy management to water treatment, transportation, and building automation. Its modular design and open standards make it the perfect fit for Industry 4.0 and digital transformation initiatives. With the PLCnext, you get faster time to market, flexible integration with third-party systems, and a scalable platform that grows with your needs. It's automation without limits, empowering engineers, developers, and businesses to innovate like never before. Need help building your PLCnext solution? Contact Phoenix Contact or our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our RS site in the links below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.